I'm out hunting with Ivar. We just found this. It's like a thread tap. Ivar's out somewhere. Looks like he went after a mouse or something. But found this thread tap, so I think I'm gonna make a knife out of it. Start that when I get home. There's those little divots that are in the thread tap. I could forge those, but I'll lose a little bit more steel, so I'm going to grind them off. I'll be left with more, and it reduces the risk of cracking. Thanks for watching part 1 of me forging this knife from a thread tap. Part 2, I'm going to be attaching a handle and testing it out.